You are not individual by birth, but become an individual when you start choosing for yourself. Individuality is not already given to humans, but an achievement that humans get by their choices. If you are not choosing for yourself, then it is very obvious someone else is going to choose for you. Then you will become the part of someone else's circle of individuality. It means you are away from the possibilities of altering your facticity, which is always ahead of yourself. You are in bad faith. Your actions are inauthentic. Hello, friends. Welcome to Authenticity. Today, in this video, we are going to look into the lecture Existentialism is a Humanism given by philosopher Jean-Paul Sartre in 1946. This lecture is one of the key texts in existentialist philosophy and presents Sartre's idea on the nature of existentialism, human freedom, and responsibility. Here are some key points from the lectures. Existentialism Defined. Sartre begins by addressing the criticism and misunderstanding of existentialism. He defined existentialism as a philosophical approach that begins with the individual's existence, in contrast to the traditional philosophies that start with abstract concept or a universal essence. Existentialism starts with the concrete lived experience of individuals. Existence precedes essence. Sartre emphasizes that central existentialist notion that existence precedes essence. This means that individuals first exist, and through their action and choices they define their essence or character. There is no predetermined human nature or essence. Individuals are radically free to create themselves. Condemned to be free. Sartre famously declares, "Man is condemned to be free, because once thrown into the world, he is responsible for everything he does." This statement encapsulates that idea that freedom comes with the responsibility to make choice and take responsibility for the consequence. Subjectivity and freedom. Sartre argues for the importance of subjectivity. He claims that humans are condemned to be free, meaning that we are always responsible for our choices. This radical freedom can be unsettling, as individuals bear the burden of creating their own values and determining the meaning of their lives. Authenticity versus bad faith. Sartre introduced the concept of bad faith, which referred to the individuals evading their freedom and responsibility by conforming to societal expectations or adopting roles that others define for them. Authentic existence, on the other hand, involves fully embracing one's freedom and taking responsibility for one's choices. Other people as a source of freedom and conflict. Sartre discusses the role of other people in our life. While they may limit our freedom through their expectations and judgments, they are also essential for our self-definition. Human relationships involve a constant negotiation between the freedom of the individual and the constraints imposed by others. Critique of determinism. Sartre rejects determinism and argues against the idea that individuals are shaped by external forces or preordained destinies. He insists on the radical freedom of individuals to choose their path and create their values. Existentialism as a humanism is a concise presentation of Sartre's key existentialist idea. It seeks to clarify the core tenet of existentialism and respond to criticism. The lecture underscores the importance of human freedom, responsibility, and the subjective creation of the meaning in the existentialist worldview. Thank you.